Welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'll show you how to make the perfect pom-pom, and we're going to do it in 3 different ways, with or without any special tool. Pom-poms are a fun and easy way to add personality to your knitting or sewing projects. Let's get started. Let's start with the easiest method, using a pom-pom maker. There are many different types of pom-pom makers available in the market, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this type. If you're interested in getting a similar one, I have included a link to it in the description box below. Please note that this is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase, at no additional cost to you. By doing so, you help me continue creating content. Thank you so much for being part of this community. I really appreciate your support. Take your pom-pom maker and open both arms like this. Place them together so they're opposite to each other. Hold them securely to prevent them from falling apart. Start wrapping the yarn around one arm, spreading it out uniformly. Keep wrapping until the middle is completely full. For more precision, you can count the wraps to ensure an even pom-pom. Cut the yarn and tuck the end between the loops to secure it. Repeat the process on the other arm. Once both arms are wrapped, close them and secure the ends. Take your scissors and cut along the groove, being careful to cut through all the loops. Hold both sides securely to prevent the arms from separating. Place the pom-pom carefully on a flat surface. Take a separate piece of yarn and tie it tightly around the center groove. I recommend tying 4 to 5 knots to ensure it stays secure. If you're attaching the pom-pom to another project, make sure the yarn tail is long enough. Open the arms and carefully remove the pom-pom. Fluff it up and trim any uneven edges to shape it. And that's it, you've made a perfect pom-pom in just a few steps. If you don't have a pom-pom maker, no worries, you can use a piece of cardboard too. Cut a piece of cardboard about 5 centimeters wide. You can adjust the size depending on how big you want your pom-pom. Wrap the yarn around the cardboard, keeping the tension consistent. The more wraps, the fuller your pom-pom will be. For a medium to full pom-pom, wrap about 150 or 200 times. Cut the yarn. Slightly bend the cardboard to create an opening. Slide a piece of yarn under the wrapped yarn and tie it tightly in the center. Remember to leave enough yarn tail if you want to attach the pom-pom to another project. I recommend tying 4 to 5 knots to ensure it stays secure. cut through all the loops on the opposite side of your knot. Fluff the pom-pom and trim it into your desired shape. This method is quick, easy, and perfect if you don't have any extra tools. And finally, let's make a pom-pom using just your hands. Start by wrapping the yarn around your fingers. For a smaller pom-pom, use about 2 fingers. For a larger one, use 4 fingers. Keep wrapping until you achieve your desired thickness. Slide a piece of yarn through the middle of the wrapped yarn between your fingers and tie it tightly. Be careful to knot it securely. I recommend tying 4 to 5 knots to ensure it stays secure. Carefully slide the yarn off your fingers and cut through all the loops. Fluff it up and trim as needed. This method is super convenient and perfect for when you're on the go or don't have any tools in hand. And there you have it, 3 ways to make pom-poms. Whether you're using a pom-pom maker, cardboard, or just your hands, these techniques are fun, quick, and versatile. Let me know in the comments which method you like the most and how you plan to use your pom-poms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your crafty friends. See you in the next tutorial.